In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A55 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. First of all, go into settings and hit display. Then scroll down just a bit to access easy mode and click on gray switcher at the bottom to activate it. As you can see, easy mode is on. If you want to go back to the standard one, access the same settings. So devices settings, display and easy mode. And tap on blue switcher next to easy mode feature. Then wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!